Hi, my name is Dr Pietramaggiori. I'm a plastic surgeon and I'm a co-founder of Global Medical Institute and Global Migraine Foundation. Global Medical Institute is a specialized clinic in Lausanne dedicated to the treatment of migraines and aesthetic surgery. I've been asked many times how it comes that a plastic surgeon treats migraines. In my case, it was during my training in craniofacial surgery that I got exposed to patients suffering from chronic headaches and devastating facial pains. This patient had seen many doctors before, but couldn't find a lasting relief. It was heartbreaking to see all this pain in these patients. So we made it our mission to research and offer the best available treatment for conditions like chronic headaches, migraine, trigeminal neuralgia, occipital neuralgia, and cluster headaches. From just the two of us, plastic surgeon performing migraine surgery, we grew the team to offer all the available cutting-edge treatments for headache pain.
Hi, my name is Claudia. I come from Lausanne, Switzerland, and I'm suffering from migraine. I contacted the clinic because I've seen several doctors and specialists for my migraines, and no one could find a solution. So that was the last option for me to contact this special place. Well, now it has been 10 years that I've been treated by my doctor, and it's a new life for me.
To deliver a global approach means to develop a trustful relationship with the patient and dedicating the time to listen to them and understand what is the best possible solution to help them. Over the last 20 years, we had the opportunity to treat patients from all over the world. This gave us the opportunity to understand that a common problem is the lack of communication between different experts. This leaves the patient with only fragmented treatments and a lot of open questions. This is the reason why we started the Global Migraine Foundation, a charitable organization to deliver information to the patient in order to allow them to find the best possible treatment for themselves and to live a life pain-free.
Hi, I'm Dr Scherer. I'm a plastic surgeon and I'm the co-founder of the Global Medical Institute. I have a Korean-German background. My medical studies has brought me through Germany, the US, Switzerland and Korea. The journey of the last 20 years brought us from the deep dive of clinical research and basic research at Harvard Medical School to thriving giving the best care to our patients at Global Medical Institute. I think most importantly, I love my work and my patients, which make it a joyful journey to reach for the top treatments for headache surgery and aesthetic demands. Now, headache treatment and aesthetic demands may seem very far apart away, but it demands for similar skills. One is a continuous evolution of research and developing of the treatments. The other is actually just humanity. Listen to your patients. How can I improve treatments and develop new treatments? The basic of this is critically observe our results, whether it's for pain, so the invisible problem, or it's for aesthetic surgery, the visible problem. No matter if it's a visible or invisible problem, it may impact significantly the well-being of patients. Treatment options are actually often banalized in the internet, and you may have the feeling that you can just find a quick and effective solution to any problem, whether it's migraines or pain or an aesthetic demand. The net is flooded with before and after pictures that are very promising after surgery, thread lifts, injectables, rejuvenating machines, and so on. The reality is much more complex. So behind every photo of pain, there is a patient with his concerns, wishes, fears, and simply their life situation. Doing proper reflection between the doctor and the patient is utmost important, because if surgery is done without real reflection, women may end up with breast implants and feel uncomfortable in their physical activity, or we're not even aware of that this will demand multiple surgeries in their life to change them. So on the picture, the results may look good for the viewer, but the patient feels uncomfortable, and that is what counts. Another aspect of surgery is that we create scars. So we made it to our utmost priority to define every single detail to create the most aesthetically visible scars. That goes from surgical technique, surgical tools, up to the latest laser technology treatments after surgery.
After this fantastic journey in plastic surgery over the last 20 years, we feel even more the responsibility to deliver improved care while keeping the patient at the center of our attention.